Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a jungle walk to my hometown. I am saying that, oh no, it's going to rain, and I said to the universe, oh please don't rain right now. And the universe listened to what I say. I'm back here. See that river? So in this village, people are living in everything is natural. They plant their own vegetable, they grow rice and everything. They have coconuts, bananas, whatever. Everything is organic here. So that's my brother. Keep looking back and making sure that I am right behind him. My brother is an OKU. Say hi. Hanggang may mabuting. Gwen, mabuting ka no? Rice field has just newly filled and plant growing. Those are all rice just planted. This village is located in Apayao. It is right in the middle of the jungle on top of the mountain, and the weather is really cold. Not very cold, just it's nice. I love the weather in here. It's not hot, and I love it here. Not so cold, but it's cold compared to the lowland. When you go to the lowland, it's really hot that I feel like I'm melting. So I'd prepare to stay here on my holiday, stay with my mother and my father and the kids. I have a lot of nieces and nephews around here, but I don't have my own kids here. Houses are built kind of far from each other, though we have neighbors, but yeah, everybody's quiet. I love it here. So we are now walking up the little hill, just visiting some loved ones. Look at this, Stefan. And on the way to the other loved ones, you will see what we have found in here. Don't get scared, okay? Just dropping by to say hi to my late sister and my late brother-in-law. And we are walking to the others. Don't get scared.
Na?
So if you see that boy in the front, that is
Kasi
Clock
naglaan,
Clock.
di
We
sumang at
are
ka,
going to see
ikakwatan
his
ka sa kanan.
father. And guess what? He is lost.
Wen, piling mapan lang yaw away. Yo uma.
So for your information, guys, when you walk into this kind of jungles, even you don't see anyone, you should
Na kami
say,
mistro.
hello, we passing by. And it's just a
Kami sila,
respect
ay
of
silin alin.
the unseen,
Yan mo
like that.
Johnny at adong.
And I realized my brother is not with
Hi,
us.
adong.
And guess what? We lost one of our company. I'm looking for my brother. Where did he
Yam
go?
adong.
He is lost. Uh-oh, we lost my brother.
Lo,
We lost
kukumit
him,
din.
guys. We don't know where he went. Don't get scared. But you have to be careful when you're walking into this kind of
Adong.
jungle. Alright?
No? No, auntie. Ang auntie plus
But it's
sila.
okay. Even if we lost him at this point, we will find him later. He maybe just fell down or stopping by somewhere else. We don't know.
Ay na nga, dito ni Alin, ada Jenny.
And this is a ghost place, guys. We are looking at it, so many ghosts around here. So Clock Clock couldn't find where is his father. We end up going to see all the so many ghosts. Oh my world!
Na kami apo.
So I'm saying hello,
O, diba?
everyone. Hello, every
May
unseen.
kami man apo.
And
Nagadugad to yun eh.
yeah,
Nagadalalyad to yun eh.
don't get scared. I'm saying there's so many ghosts here. Don't get scared.
Ko di jay?
Hello, unseen
Bali?
people. I mean, unseen humans, whatever we call them.
Wen, apa di ba di jay? Apang ka lang lumabas ita en dagita nagadadungal alya. Itilatan ah.
Yeah, I'm saying that we are passing by
Dito,
to
di
all
ba
those
di jay?
ghosts. There's so many ghosts here, guys. Don't get scared.
Itoy. So nga ro, pa yung malabasan pa lang amin dagita nagadadungal alya ta. So, just go. Ito di jacket amok di
I'm
jacket
saying hello, ghosts. We are passing by. I love doing all this, guys. I know I'm crazy, but you know, I love to visit this place when I go home. That's because I have two sisters around here, my aunties, my brother-in-law, and some relatives and friends.
Ay na ni anti may diri ni Jenny. Allah, nagrigan nga pan ko en. Yeah, dito ni sir ni.
Hi, sir.
Kumusta sir?
How are you, sir?
O di ba? Hala?
So I have to cut off the video in here because it's kind of weird, and some of those marble has been broken by somebody who's crazy.
Sir, na mga...
And don't be scared. So we are back into the,
Ni Ronald?
you know, we just came down and I was exhausted, so I didn't get the video until way down. But then here we go. Let's continue walking down.
Sino ni papang mo?
Tapos talaga. Pero na ba ka jologit suruan yun to ni ading yung painting.
Dapat dyan.
Oh, kuno ano.
Paalan na ka namin, di ba? Di bangon. Hindi ako nakumay ko na ako. Plus ko mga kasama ni
Hindi na kaya. Di ko ang yung kaya. Hindi na kaya. Kaya pati
So as we walk down, the kids are talking about their late father. It's kind of sad story. They're talking about sad story about their father. This one boy and this my niece, they
Ada kay di video ni papang mo ita ila data internet data nga nagmotor iso na. Ada video di YouTube ko kay nakita majay. Sakat ubing. Nayawa nagtartaray.
I have to interrupt their stories just to,
Nagtayag. Ted na lang
change the
nagtayag.
topic.
Hindi na ila agagama. Hindi na pa nang taidi. Hindi exigos.
nagdigoy sa buwan.
No? Dapat tayo nagkabigan nagabo di kami santo dapat exigos ka buo. No? Kaya nagabo ta kung santo. Daming bunga nito. Dito ani kira tinaimas ni oh. Hello. Iya tamo. Ay. So iya taga burod. We, nadakakabsat. Di ba na pa ni Diyos? Hi, Doggy! Ino, naglalaglag lang. Agtintinag talaga tinyog lang aya. Masay sayang. Di mas makalog. Nagadubungan na ni, oh. Ayun, agreg-reg-reg latan.
So as you see, we found my brother. We lost him in the jungle, remember?
Oh, nagadubungan na, Jenny.
This is me and my father, and me and my mother. And once again, I would like to say thank you for watching, and I will see you through my next video. Goodbye for now.